These young folks sharpening their soccer skills are the football players of T.H. Birichandra Football Academy Tabungkhok. Recently, they have also become the winner of India-Manchester United Premier Cup, and they all are set to show their kicking skill at the Southeast Asia's Manchester United Premier Cup in Thailand.
Khoi khadana yaba sidi khoi khadana oiba ngamoi masidi khoina oi pakraba chawgraba Manipur sida khoiji sports ki kanone khoigi power house ne hairiba mafam lamjida khoi Birichandra Football Academy na tawjariba sidi sai gi akoba sai area sida sam Imphal area sida bokta ngang suna lakte aduna sai gi machi samaina Football Academy Birichandra Football Academy linkaba samaina mafam khuding gi mafam yamna linkhalingi matik mafam kung linkhalingi matik akhoi angang hinge talent hunt tawbadi yam nungaigani aduga development yam purakani habase ai asep thajabde khoi katane oibeding amoi.
The academy, which came into existence on 4 February 2000, tries to transform these young players into promising international footballers starting right from an early age. Today, a large number of football aspirants are getting training from this academy. The development of talent identification program in soccer, which was held today as a research project by the University Grant Commission, is also one among the different training programs provided by the academy. The coach of the academy believes that if we can replicate such academy in different parts of the state, Manipur will surely find a place in the international football arena. At Tabungkhok with camera person Bobo Pukhrambam, this is Ramananda Leishangthem, Impact News.